Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use 7zip. So let's get started. At first, open your web browser and search for 7zip. From the page, you will find several options for download. Choose your operating system and click on Download. After downloading it, install the application. Once installed, open the application. So here, if you open any folder and right-click on it, you will see the 7zip with several options. Here you can archive, extract or zip file into 7zip. To unzip a file, click on it and select Extract from the menu. Choose where you want the extract file to appear. After that, click on OK. To zip a file, choose the file or folder you want to zip. Right-click on it, then from the menu, click on 7zip. Now click on Add to your folder name. Click on Archive and then choose 7zip as archive format. Click OK. Now it's going to create a zip file. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.